Bree the Coupon Queen, and I wanted to post a quick video to get you guys ready for some amazing deals going on this Saturday at Dollar General. So they do have a 3-day sale going on starting today, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. We also have that 5 off 25 Saturday only coupon that we can pair up. So definitely some hot deals on some outdoor things. I'm gonna wind up picking up a nice outdoor like foldable table. They have some other things, robes, things of that nature. So make sure you guys check out the Dollar General weekly ad in your Dollar General app, and make sure you guys clip that 5 off 25 coupon. Again, that is a Saturday only coupon, so don't try to use that on Thursday or Friday. It will not come off. So let's go ahead and dive into the deals. I do have a couple different scenarios here for you, so stay tuned for those. Whatever types of items you guys are looking for, make sure you guys do the scenario that works best for you. That's why I wanted to bring you a couple different options. So if you're needing paper products or if you're needing more laundry detergents, things like that, there's definitely going to be an option here for you. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button for me. If you have any questions, make sure you guys drop a comment, let me know so I can help you guys save as much as possible. So the first deal has the lowest out of pocket. So I wanted to post this one first. You're going to pick up one of the Ajax. They are $2. You're going to pick up one Gain Liquid. They are $3.95. You're going to pick up one Gain Fabric Softener. They are $3.95. You're going to pick up 2 of the Febreze sprays or Febreze small spaces. They both work. They are $3 each, so that'll be $6. Then you're going to grab 2 of the Snuggle 20 count dryer sheets. Those are $2 each. 1 of the Gillette men's disposable razors. They are $5. And then 1 Oral-B toothbrush, which is $2. So a couple things on this deal. The Ajax, the $1 off, is a Dollar General coupon, not a manufacturer coupon. So that's why my total has to be at least $26 because that coupon comes off first, and then you have to be at a total of $25. So a little tricky, but if you follow this deal that I have here, you guys will be fine. So you're going to have that $1 off Dollar General coupon for the Ajax, $2 off digital for the Gain Liquid, $2 off digital for the Gain Fabric Softener, a 3 off 2 digital for the Febreze, a $3 off 2 digital for the Snuggle, a $4 off digital for the Gillette, and a $1 off digital for the Oral-B. So this is if you haven't used these coupons before. I used a couple of these last week, so this exact deal I will not be able to do. But this is the lowest out of pocket that I had done last week. So I wanted to share it with you guys this week. Your total is $26.90 before any coupons. You're going to use that 5 off 25 coupon. Total for the other coupons we're using is $16. Final cost is just $5.90 for 9 items, or 65 cents per item plus tax, which is amazing. So this is very good if you guys need some laundry detergent, kind of mix and match. There's a bunch of different items here. So this would be a great deal if you're looking for the lowest out of pocket. Okay, deal number 2 is on paper products. So for the 3-day sale, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, Sparkle paper towels, the 6 rolls, are going to be on sale for just $3.95. You're going to pick up one of those, as well as a Tide liquid for $4.95. Again, 2 of the Febreze, either the spray or the small spaces. They're $3 each. That would be $6. 2 of the Clorox toilet bowl cleaner. They are $2 each. That'll be $4. 1 Crest toothpaste at $3. And 1 Aleve 24 count at $4.25. So your total is going to be $26.15. Again, you're going to use that $5 off 25 digital coupon. The rest of the digital coupons we're using is going to total $13.25. Your final you're going to pay is $8.90 for 8 items, or $1.11 each, which is not bad because this has some good paper products, some cleaning supplies, and things of that nature. So good, well-rounded option here if you guys want some Aleve and some cleaners. So I'm gonna do this option. I need some more paper towels. I go through them pretty quick at my house because I do have some dogs, and I need that toilet bowl cleaner as well. So that would be another option for you. And option number 3 is more paper products. This has Scott paper towel. So again, during the 3-day sale, Scott paper towel is gonna be on sale 2 for $8. Typically they're $5 each. So right there saves you $2. You're gonna pick up one of the Tide liquid at $4.95, one Oral-B toothbrush for $2, one Oral-B Glide floss for $3, one Crest toothpaste for $3, and one Gillette disposable razor for $5. So your total is gonna come out to $25.95. You're gonna use that 5 off 25 digital coupon. Make sure it is clipped to your account. It will not come off automatically. Other coupons totaling $13. So your final is gonna be $7.95 plus tax for 7 items, or just $1.14 per item plus tax. So not a bad deal there, especially when we're getting some great paper products for the Scott paper towel. Those are the 6 rolls. So you're getting 12 rolls of paper towels in this deal, and you're only paying $1.14 for a 6-pack. So super, super hot deals on some paper products. I highly recommend you guys head over to Dollar General if you guys have the time on Saturday, and make sure, again, you guys clip that coupon. I have messed up once or twice and forgot to clip the coupon, and you don't realize it until after you check out, and then it's too late. So if you guys have any questions, just let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.